What's going on, guys and girls? In this video, I'm trying out some Tec Baits. I got the Pumpin Paddle Tail, I got the Tec Stick, and I got the Tec Nedz. I also have a Bucca baby bluegill, and I'm gonna see if I can get a big bass on a little bluegill bait. And speaking of big bass, guys, MONSTERBASS is holding their Big Bass Challenge, and you can get into it for free if you're a member of MONSTERBASS. I got a link down in the description below so you guys can click on it, get your own MONSTERBASS, and become a member. Also, guys, down in the description below, I have the link to the details of the Big Bass Challenge. They have over $10,000 worth of prizes, rods, reels, coolers, everything. So make sure you click that link so you guys can enter it. Let's see if we can catch a big bass. This is the Bucca or Bucca, not exactly sure how you pronounce it, baby bluegill. There we go. There we go. Nice. Some bass feeding on some gills. Nice fish. Okay, guys, got a decent sized one on that baby bluegill. Nice fish. I'd say he's close to 2 pounds. We'll get him back in the water here. So this is the Tec Baits Pumpin Paddle Tail. Toss this one on, see if we can get a fish on it. And I'm gonna pair it with a VMC drop dead hook with an 1/8 ounce belly weight. This way I can kind of fish it a couple different ways. I can fish it on the top, I can fish it on the bottom. Check expose the hook there, just like that. All right, we're ready. There we go. There we go. Oh. There we go. He came off right there at the bank, but he was in the grass. I got him. Nice. Not a bad fish. And it was on the bottom. I was lifting it up off the bottom instead of pumping it, and good fish for here. There we go. They're all taking it off the bottom. Not a bad fish. Fish number 2, Pumpin Paddle Tail. Nice. Smash that thumbs up button, guys, for the Pumpin Paddle Tail from Tec Baits. Wrong way. Okay, guys, so that is the Tec Stick. This is the Watermelon Red Flake. I'm gonna put this on, see if we can't pick up some bass on this. And you guys can see a lot of salt, and I'm rigging this Texas rig, weightless and weedless. There we go. On the Tec Stick, which he just threw. Okay, picked one up on the Tec Stick, just a little one. Still got it on the Tec Stick. I like it. Oh, like right now. There we go. Little one. He's right there off the edge of that culvert. Two on the Tec Stick. Another little fish. But it's still a fish. Okay, so that's 3 now on the Tec Stick, nothing big. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch over to the Tec Nedz. Okay guys, so this is the Tec Nedz, and this is also Watermelon Red Flake. Okay, so that's our Tec Nedz. See if we can pick up some bass on this one. There we go. Oh, he's around that stick. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. On the Tec Nedz. There we go. So we have now caught a fish on every one of the Tec baits that I've got. That's the Tec Nedz, the Tec Stick, and the Pumpin Paddle Tail. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. If you guys want to see the first time I checked out the Tec baits, click right here, subscribe to the channel right here. And until the next time guys, keep living life coastal and keep catching.